So guys, what I want to talk about is the Sari Sari Store. Now, a lot of you guys who's been following us for a long time know that the Sari Sari Store belongs to my ma here, and she's been struggling a long time trying to make money from the store. Now, people keep asking me about Sari Sari stores, and I immediately say absolutely not. They're a money pit. You've got to be in a really good position. You're going to be stuck in the store 24/7. You're only going to be able to trust you and your partner. You've got to go out and get stock. What happens when you've got to go out and get stock? You're not going to be able to go to the beach unless you shut the shop down. And I could go on and on. There's many reasons. One of the big reasons not to do a Sari Sari Store is you're going to be working 24/7 for peanuts. I mean, you're going to be putting all this time into the store and you're going to get no benefits financially from it. So the store, if you've got other income, the store's going to like top that income up, but it's never going to create enough income to support you.
My mom preferred to have like that than Sari Sari.
So what's happened is, and we'll show you again, just come with us guys. Now I bought Ma this fridge, and a friend of ours bought Ma the freezer. Adrian and Connie, thank you very much. And I've just recently put a CCTV in. I broke the screen on the other TV, so we've bought another one, but I'm only borrowing it because
that's my TV. It was Mel's TV that I broke, and she wanted it back. So I'm only lending this to the shop. This is no good. We've got to get another one because it's not seeing the hard drive for some reason. And then the CCTV as well is not.
This, yeah, the picture isn't all that great, guys. So they're gonna have to get another type. Now, as you might can see, the shop's looking pretty empty. It's hard to see with the light coming that way, but it's pretty empty, guys, right? So Ma's thrown in the towel, hasn't she, Mel?
Yeah.
She's basically turned around and said to her daughter, not Mel, she said to Mane, you can have the shop. So
she struggled as well to walk because of her arthritis.
Yeah, her mum's got arthritis, so it's very hard for her to do. So basically what's going to happen is Mane's taking over the shop, and
then this one is going to be back forward.
They're going to pull this forward a bit more. They're getting rid of this because there's a bed at the other side, so there's no need for that. They want to open the shop up,
and then at the back they're going to use for the room,
and then they're going to put a bed at the back here,
and they're going to put a door here, private, so nobody can.
That's where they're going to sleep, and they're just going to shut this off, guys. This is all going to be closed off, so nobody can get in, nobody can take anything for free, which I said to Ma so much, you know, but it's family, and in the Philippines,
that's not my mom.
Yeah, you know, Ma knows people's taking things free and that. She's never got excited about it, has she?
Sometimes.
Yes, well, sometimes she's got a bit mad.
Sometimes when she's moody.
So basically Ma's gonna concentrate on the food, because as you just seen when we went to the food, she's got lots of people that loves the food, that buys, and she makes good profit on the food.
Yeah, because the way my mom cook, it's yummy as well.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's nice. But I'm on a diet, so I can't touch it. So that's basically what's going to happen with the shop, and I'm really pleased.
Yeah.
Now, apart from the money Ma makes with the food, she's going to get it topped up with her daughter in Holland. Her daughter's going to be sending her something every month.
Yeah.
Her daughter was helping her keep the shop afloat, but her daughter's patience has run out, hasn't she? Hasn't it? Sorry,
Yeah.
with the shop.
To have a Sari Sari store, you can make money as well, but not a lot.
No, we're talking pennies, guys. Again, the only thing that makes money really in a Sari Sari store is alcohol, cigarettes, sodas. What else, Mel? That's about it, isn't it? Really, they're the main money
Yeah,
earners.
just only that cigarette and
I mean,
alcohol.
what we're talking about for a tin
Yeah.
of, what is it?
For that can, just you can make 3 pesos to 4 or 5 pesos.
3 to 5
5
pesos.
Per can.
It's not a lot.
Yeah.
As you can see, Mel, Ma was having to go to get stock like every other day. It's a lot of work, and she'd get up at 4:30 in the morning, and she'd be up till nearly 12 at night. It's a hell of a long day. Now, you think of yourself as a foreigner with your Filipina, and you've come to the Philippines to relax. Whether you're sat there with her all day or not, she's still sat here. So you're never going to be able to really do anything together. That's not really retiring and relaxing, is it? So I thought you'd find it interesting, and I thought it's quite ironic what I said, because I've been saying to Mel for a long time, this shop is going to go down the crapper, didn't I? I said, you can't run a business how Ma's running the business, because she's not. The reason she kept running out of money, well, the reasons are many, but one of the reasons she keeps running out of money is she's spending the money that she should be using to replace the stock, because she's not making enough money to, you know, just feed every day and do the everyday things. So that's it, guys. I wanted you to see that.
Tuesday they're gonna sort around this.
This Tuesday they're gonna block all this off. They're gonna move this forward. Like I say, there's a bed gonna go behind here. They're gonna sleep in the shop. There's gonna be nobody allowed in here other than her sister and her husband, and that's basically it. Ma's finished. Just the food, nothing else.
This is chocolate. Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi there.
Is my baby getting big now?
Say hi.
It didn't seem 2 minutes since you were a little baby. Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
You love it, Daddy? Yes. How much? Not how much, it's lots and lots. Right, I'm going to give you an update on the shop. If the audio's not very good, I apologise. I'm just holding the camera. I've not got it in the tripod. As you can see, Chock's still cooking his chicken, although I think he might have a bit more to cook. So I want to show you the official takeover of the shop. It's no longer Ma anymore. Ma's keeping the back kitchen, but now Mel's sister Mane, she's now the proud owner of the shop. It's hers now and her husband's. So you can see what they've done. They've changed everything round. I'll try not to get myself my arm cut off. So if you remember, well, you just got to look back, haven't you? What the shop looked like. There was hardly anything in the shop. There was no alcohol. The fridge was empty. Now the fridge is full again, and the shop's full again. Although she's got all these in front of the camera so nobody can see anything. Ooh, shit. I said I wasn't going to hit that, and I went to hit it. So the lie behind here, I don't know if you can see anything. It's pretty dark, but they sleep in the shop. So there you go, guys. It's Mane's shop. She's made a good job. She's tidied it all up, made it look better, more efficient. So it's up to Manny now to make it work. Her mother couldn't make it work. Her mother couldn't make any money. Let's hope Manny can. You. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you this bit. We'll see how long this lasts. I think she'll make a go of it. I think she'll be alright. The only difference is going to be is they're going to put a door here. They're going to block this off so people can't go in and out. The funny thing is, Mel says that Ma's going to pay all the rent. Well, I wish they'd have known, because we could have took it over, couldn't we? If we hadn't got any rent to pay. That's easy, isn't it? So that's it on a very, very warm day in the Philippines. Just show you this, guys. If you, I know I've shown you it once. The typhoon come, it blew all this down. Look. Hello, he's my baby. Hello. See? Looks like we're gonna have to sort you out again. You're all skinny again, aren't you? Yeah, I know. You've been a good boy, eh? You'd think he was my dog. He won't leave me alone when I'm here. You've been a good boy. Hey, you stink. You stink. So it just shows you how strong this wall was. I told you on a few videos back, it wasn't even straight, let alone strong. Which you can pretty much tell by the other side. I think it was more luck than anything else that didn't blow down. But they're building something on the other side, and I'm guessing at some point they'll block this off so Ma can't hang her washing out, and this guy down here can't park his car. Are you doing banana?
No.
Money?
Yeah.
Oh. It looks like it's going to be quite a big building here. There's only a couple of guys working on it at the minute, so I'm guessing there's not a lot of money. So that's it then, guys. Just thought I'd add this on the end so you could get a bit of an update what's happening. Mel's not on the video because she's got some kind of abscess on her foot. She can't walk, bless her. So see you on the next video, guys. Don't forget, please subscribe, hit that like button, and share our videos. Very important to share our videos with your friends. Make sure the notification bells hit, because our videos are getting less and less views. And tell your friends, get people to come and subscribe and watch your videos. Appreciate it, guys. It's a big help to us. And don't forget, watch the commercials, don't skip them. So see you on the next one, guys.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.